Hello students. Today we are going to learn a very beautiful lovely poem that is Daffodils, written by William Wordsworth. Here he speaks. William Wordsworth, he was born on 1770 and died on 1850. The poem Daffodils, written by William Wordsworth in 1804. William Wordsworth is a well-known romantic poet who believed in showing simple and creative expression through his poems. Daffodil is one of the most popular poems of the Romantic age, unfolding the poet's excitement, love, and praise for the field blossoming with daffodils. Here we came to know that this poem was written in 1804 and it describes the beauty and the praise for the field of the yellow daffodils. Here you see the pic of daffodil. The title Daffodil is simple word that remind us about the arrival of the spring season when the field is full of daffodils. It reminds us about the spring season. Okay? A bunch of daffodils symbolizes joy and happiness of life in human being. Here is the pic of daffodils. So let's start the poem. I wandered lonely as a cloud that floats on high over wells and hills, when all at once I saw a crowd, a host of golden daffodils, beside the lake, beneath the trees, fluttering and dancing in the breeze. Here is the meaning of the poem. The poet says that he was roaming about in the countryside like a cloud floats in the sky over the hills and the valley. He saw a group of yellow daffodil flowers growing under the trees on the bank of the lake. They seemed to dance and flutter in the wind. Here the poet is saying that while roaming about in the countryside, and he compared it with a cloud that floats in the sky. And he saw what? He saw a field of beautiful yellow dazzling daffodil flowers that were growing under the tree on the bank of the lake. You see the pic, the lake, the bank of the lake and the flowers. And they seems to be dancing and fluttering in the wind. Here your second stanza. Continuous as the stars that shine and twinkle on the Milky Way, they stretched in never-ending line along the margin of a bay. 10,000 saw I at a glance, tossing their head in sprightly dance. Here is the meaning of the stanza. There were so many daffodils that they seemed to form a continuous line on the bank, swinging and dancing. In one look, the poet felt that they were 10,000 in numbers, just as the countless stars in the sky. Here, the poet is saying that it seems to be too many, numerous, as if they are 10,000 in numbers, and he compared them with the stars in the sky, countless stars in the sky that we cannot count. The waves beside them dance, but they outdid the sparkling waves in glee. A poet could not but be gay in such a jocund company. I gazed and gazed, but little thought what wealth their show to me had brought. Here is the meaning. The waves of the lake also ripple due to the wind, but the daffodil seems to be more lively and joyful as they move to and fro. He says that a poet could not help being happy in such joyful surrounding, but he did not know at that time how much he had gained while watching this sight. Here it means that the poet was so joyful, so moved, he was so happy. His mind became so happy that he couldn't help being happy in such a joyful surrounding. He was very, very much impressed by the beauty and the joy which he is getting from watching the field, daffodil field. You see here a pic of a daffodil field. For oft, when on my couch I lie, in vacant or in pensive mood, they flash upon that inward eye, which is the bliss of solitude. And then my heart with pleasure fills and dances with the daffodils. Let's see here the meaning. Often, when he is lying alone on his couch and is in a thought, or even if he has no thought, he remembers the beautiful scene of the daffodils and he feels very happy as his heart dances with daffodils. Here, when the poet is lying, taking rest on his couch, he is remembering his past, he is remembering the beautiful scene of daffodil field. And while remembering it, his mind, his heart is feeling very happy, very joyful as his heart dances with daffodils. So, student, here is the theme of the poem. The theme of the poem Daffodil is a collection of human emotions, that is joy, happiness, surprise, excitement, inspired by nature. I repeat, by nature, naturally, that we may have neglected due to our busy life. We usually neglect the nature's beauty, natural beauty, because of our busy life, okay? The daffodil suggests rebirth, a new beginning for human beings, blessed with the grace of nature. It suggests rebirth, that is, forgetting the past and moving ahead with a new beginning, the future. The arrival of daffodils in the month of March is welcome and enjoyable time to appreciate them. It shows the arrival of the month of the March is welcome and we enjoy the nature. We enjoy the time and we appreciate the nature very well. So, with that, we end our beautiful and lovely poem. Hope you have understood the poem very well and you are going to solve your questions very nicely. Have a good day, students. Thank you very much.